Listen, cause okay,
What?
right? Cause I don't really like check for new K-pop or stuff, but it
Yeah,
just
right.
happened on my YouTube feed because I follow Jellyfish. Like I subscribe to Jellyfish.
Of course, of course. Let's
So
go.
I saw this and I was like, "Oh, what's this?" And I was
What's
like, "Oh,
this?
15 hours ago? Okay, we gonna listen to
Oh
it,
damn, I'm
while
late.
we on the toilet."
Oof. Nah, but I even when you texted me that, I was looking at my Discord and people were like, "Oh my god, I need to see KML." Like, it's like, "Oh my god, if KML gets her hands on a VIXX album, blah blah
I
blah,
don't.
she's gonna tear up."
It's fine.
Hey, listen, I don't know. It's been a while since you kept up with VIXX
Yeah.
or any
We,
K-pop in general.
It's
What is
been a
the
minute.
what is the update for VIXX? Do you know? Does any of chat know? I know there's only 3.
Yeah, it's Leo Ken Hyuk.
Leo, Ken, and Hyuk.
Yeah.
So
Well, we know Hongbin.
Hangbin
Hongbin
did
had to leave.
he had to go.
Ravi got into some trouble apparently. I don't know, tax evasion. I don't know.
Damn, Robbie.
And N is N the one that just decided he's no longer
He
wants to
didn't want to deal
promote.
with it. Yeah, he didn't want to promote.
Okay, so there you
So
go.
now we're and then you already heard it, right? So you heard like you already think it's good because you came up hitting me up like
Yeah, I was halfway through the song and I
it's
was
like,
like,
"Yo,
Drake.
this is good."
I sent him the link to the video, and I was like, "Yo, this is good."
Girl. All right, well,
That was so funny how that was like happening right then and there.
no,
Too.
a lot of things were happening about VIXX. I was like, okay, shit. Like, well, I'm gonna stream. I was like asking her, like, oh, when do you want to do this? Like, we should do something. Girl has flown flights across the states just for them, so might as well bring you along into something. And especially if you're the one that sent me the link and told me it was good. So I was like, I was gonna wait till tomorrow. I was like, I'll check it out tomorrow. But then you told me, I'm like, all right, this might be good then. Wait, who is this? Is this Ken?
That's Ken.
Oh my god.
That's Ken.
His tall ass.
Ken.
I always liked Ken's nose bridge. Is that weird?
No, it's a thing. You could be.
No, but you never wanted to just like put your finger on it and just do that? Oh, no, okay, never mind. Let's just watch this. All right.
Play my intro. Remember?
I know.
Drake?
I don't do that anymore for some reason. I do that, but I don't do that. Like, play my intro.
Oh my gosh.
All right, you ready for this?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
All right. Bow. He's sad looking. Okay, boots.
Ooh, the glow up.
Oh my god.
The glow up, y'all.
Leo. Damn.
They all have fake piercings. This one
Oh,
looks
these are
good
all.
on Hyuk, though.
Oh, they're all fake piercings. Okay.
Yeah, but I like the nose bridge one on Hyuk a lot.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ah!
Ooh.
He look good.
He look good. He look good.
He do look. Leo.
Oh, okay, with the front, the hair up to the front. Oh, okay. We're
I
falling.
honestly don't understand. I don't get the concept though, to be honest.
It's
like,
just time.
amnesia means like forget.
Oh yeah,
but
forget. Are they forgetting their past? Like they forgot that? I don't know.
I don't know.
Starting new. Ooh. Yo. Yo, can I pause? They still got it. They still got that shit. Like the whole like, you know, concept
Listen.
kinks. They still got that shit.
They are. I think no matter how many be, they're still gonna be concept.
Just
kinks.
literally from this shot right here where it's like all like dancers in the wide shot, I just see it, I'm like, damn, they can still get it. But anyways.
Sound good.
Ooh.
These are the 3 like strong voices in VIXX, you know that.
Oh
right?
yeah,
Like,
they are the strong voices of VIXX, correct. Yeah.
Hyuk with the extra like the long hair. That looks so good on him.
Ooh. Wait, who? Or
Hyuk.
Hyuk? Yeah, with the longer hair.
The hair
with the little like
looks so
mullet.
good.
You got the little rainbow
Oil slick hair.
It's like messy. I like it. Damn, why he's so angry? Ooh. Ooh. And again.
He's got like a sultry voice. Though.
He does. Oh, what in the Venom?
Right? Right?
Ooh. Oh, gave me chills. Oh. What is happening? What is happening?
I don't know. I wish I knew.
Maybe they have amnesia of different things. Like one is lost, the other one is also lost, and the one lost the girl. I don't know. Oh, the hair is.
Look at
Oh, the hair is fine. Yeah. I know what you mean. The glow up. I mean, he always been glowing up, but damn, with the hair.
The nose bridge. It's. If he did that.
They got strong nose bridges. Damn. Oh, okay, Cat. Ah, Leo.
He just exposed with it.
They too smooth though. I like the outfits too.
No.
That's it.
That's it. It's short.
Fuck. It's not even. I mean, it's supposed. It's like 3 minutes. That's like a regular song.
But it's short. It's short.
It got era vibes. Somebody said. Oh.
Wait. Okay. Now I gotta go back to chat.
All right. God dang.
So short.
What we thinking? Ken and that Kenergy. Okay.
I wasn't paying attention to the lyrics, so it's not like I was like reading the lyrics to try to get an understanding of the song.
Does anybody can help us? I mean, we could go through it a little bit.
Out the gate, I was just like, oh, it's got a nice beat.
Yeah. No, off the bat. Good. No, but what got me was the voice already. It was like smooth, like, huh? Like, let me wait. Hold up. I can't replicate that.
It's a good combo of like. The 2017 K-pop X. No, for real though. Tifa Ken's lip always been juicy.
It really always been juicy. Y'all don't talk. Y'all don't like want to stroke like Ken's nose, Birch? No. Okay. It started off with the guitars. I love a good guitar. I don't know. I still don't know what the concept is actually. I mean, it's literally my first time.
Amnesia, but
Amnesia, yeah. What is like? All 3 of them are dealing with separate things, obviously. Whoa, someone drowning. Oh, Leo's lost in the darkness.
I like the yummy kawaii makeup he's got going on with the
yummy kawaii makeup.
They make like the stick makeup.
Maybe. Hiding your memories, huh? Holding, you'll take it. You're always so traceable. Stop stalking me, Ken. This scene is kind of cool. The one with Leo. I don't know if you're still watching.
This don't sound right, but this Leo's giving me like young gacked vibes here.
Whoa. Hey, to you.
Right.
I'm like, I could see it.
Gacked, peak.
Ooh,
gacked
peak
vibes
gacked vibes. I see what you mean. I like how they look. Like the whole outfits, like the whole.
Like
the vibe.
I'm like, yuck is killing me right now.
Nah, yeah.
And I hate to say that. I feel like a predator.
What? How young is he? He's not that young.
Well, he's not a teen. He's like in his early 20s. Is he in his early 20s?
No shot. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna look this up. VIXX.
No shot. He's the Machnet.
I know he's the Machnet.
He's 20. Wait,
he's
what?
He's 28, yo. He's 28. He's fine.
For real?
He grown. He grown.
95 line?
Yeah. I just found out that isn't Taemin like 95? That's a different topic. Anyways.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.